Good morning, my dears. How are you today? Today is Monday, the 26th of October. What about yesterday? What about yesterday? What was yesterday, my dears? Excellent. Yesterday was Sunday. What's tomorrow? What's tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. Excellent, dears. Now, look at our exercise here. Exercise 1. Draw, write, and say. Do you remember this girl? What's the name of this girl? Yeah, she's Neki. Look at her hand. She's carrying a piece of chocolate cake. Let's read the box here together. Traditional chocolate cake from Germany. Do you remember the name of this traditional chocolate cake? Excellent. It's the Black Forest cake. It's the Black Forest cake. Now, we are going to write our traditional dessert in our country, Jordan. You have to write your traditional dessert. What do we mean by dessert? Any kinds of sweets like cake, like brownie, like banana split. You can write معمول or غريبة or anything like these kinds of desserts we have to take after lunch or after dinner. Now, I write here carrot cake is a traditional dessert from my country, Jordan. Our country here is Jordan. According to me, my favorite dessert is carrot cake. My favorite dessert is carrot cake. It's traditional dessert from my country, Jordan. You can write also cake. You can write harise. Do you know harise or helbe? You can write anything you like. And after writing here, you have to draw here, my dears. Now let's move to the other questions here. Complete the conversation. Choose your response. What do we mean by response? We mean how to react to any question in a nice or polite way. It should be in a nice or polite way. Look at Gander. Gander is asking, would you like to try some Black Forest cake? He is asking, would you like to try some Black Forest cake? The answer should be in a nice or polite way. If you accept, you can say yes, please. But if you don't want or if you refuse, you can say no thanks. Again, if you accept, you have to say yes, please. Or if you want to refuse politely, you should say no thanks. Now, let's move to page 24 from our pupil's book. Read and draw. It's progress check. Read and draw. First, we have a clock here and we should write the hands, or we should draw the hands according to the time, the suitable time here. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. We have to put the short hand on 3, the hour hand on 3, and the minute hand on 12. It's 3 o'clock. What about it's 8 o'clock? We have to draw the shorthand on 8 and the minute hand on 12. It's 8 o'clock. Now let's move to exercise 2. Look and write. We have to write the time. Look at the time here. The hour hand is on 11 and the minute hand is on 12. So it's 11 o'clock. The hour hand here is on 7 and the minute hand is on 12. So the time here is it's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Now let's move to exercise 3. Look and complete. We are going to write the activity in the picture. The activity in the picture. Look at the boy here. What's he doing? At 8 o'clock. Yes, I have breakfast. Excellent. I have breakfast. Excellent. I have breakfast. What about picture 2? What about picture 2? Excellent. Look at picture 2. She's having lunch at 12 o'clock. At 8 o'clock we have breakfast. At 12 o'clock we have lunch. Shows she's having lunch. What about 3? Excellent. At 7 o'clock I get up at 7 o'clock. What about picture 4? Picture 4, excellent. She's having dinner. So she say, I have dinner here. I have dinner. Let's go back again and read. Picture 1, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Picture 2, I have lunch at 12 o'clock. Picture 3, I get up at 7 o'clock. And picture 4, I have dinner at 8 o'clock. That's for today, my dears. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.